Hello everyone, I am Archita Patel and I am doing my graduation in dentistry. Uh, Indian Defense Encyclopedia has started with the series of book review, and so here I am to give a book review on I Dare, which is an biography of Kiran Bedi, the first female IPS officer of a system. Most important woman according to a magazine, the person who transformed the Tihar jail and the work in a male dominant field. That's what describes Kiran Bedi. The book I Dare is written by Parmesh Dangwal. He is a teacher, English teacher at DAV College, Dehradun. And he has tried to sum up the happening life of Kiran Bedi in 300 words. The author has used plain English language for making the readers understand it better. The reader just goes with the flow of the book, and author has added few pictures and articles from the real life, making the book more interesting. If the boot fits you, why don't you wear it? Kiran Bedi entered the egoistic male dominant field and became the first female IPS officer. A woman entering into a male dominant field is very tough job according to us, because you get to face the egos of the people who are already at that position. When Kiran Bedi entered this field, corruption was at its peak. Every officer, every one out of the five officers was corrupt. There was an incident where someone asked Kiran Bedi ki, don't you oppose this corruption, or why don't you be corrupted? It's so simple. Do what they want and you will get paid extra for it. So Kiran Bedi said that I am not purchasable. And this sentence was the headlines of the newspaper for a few days. Because of Kiran Bedi's devotion to duty, compassion, innovation, willpower, she is the inspiration for almost every girl and woman out there. What do you want in a girl who is going to serve the nation? She must be bossy, a badass one. She was definitely a badass lady according to me. She was born in Amritsar on 9th June, and she was an NCC cadet as well. Name an award that she doesn't deserve. Kiran Bedi's life was full of awards. She has, I guess, a bunch of certificates, thousands of trophies and medals. During her school life, she has this NCC award. She was born in a businessman family, and nothing could resist her from taking the decision of what she wants. Earlier, women were not taught so much, and their life was restricted for this chula chowki. But Kiran Bedi's father was like a man with words and powers, so he educated all her daughters, and he wanted them to make a settled future. He wanted for them a settled future and independent one also. When Kiran Bedi entered this field, she got to know that the promotions are very less. The people who actually needed a promotion, who had served for years and had the right for promotion, were not getting it. So she wrote letters to the higher authorities, and one day there were 600 promotion in just a single day. She created history in this. Within a span of 3 months of Kiran Bedi's duty, crimes decreased, sexual assault cases decreased, and there was a immense confidence in people around ki yes, there is police supporting us. There was one transfer of Kiran Bedi when she was asked to go in Goa. Goa traffic was very bad at that time, so she wrote a letter to the authority ki I need some funds to raise this and solve this traffic problem. So the officers obviously rejected her offer, saying that we don't have this much of funds, so it's not possible for us at this time to give you funds for this traffic control program. So because of traffic, lots of things were getting hampered, like transport facilities, businesses. So what innovative idea Kiran Bedi did was, she had a meeting with all the business firms in Goa. She asked them to contribute, and because of that contribution, she started taking funds from them and transformed the Goa city into a trafficless city. She constructed good roads, traffic signals at every point, and there was police everywhere. Everyone knows about Tihar jail transformation. Tihar jail was like the worst people are kept there, gangsters and all. When Kiran Bedi was transformed to that jail, more of a jail, she transformed it into a rehab. Like, you had yoga sessions there, non-smoking zone she created. The woman with words, I must say, she created everything that was suitable for them. A small library was set up where books were provided. The people were provoked कि अभी अच्छा जिंदगी जीना है. They were taught values. Tihar jail transformation was the best she could ever do in her life, not just because of professional but personal level as well. She was also nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize, and yes, the Mizoram drug campaign. She led that drug campaign in Mizoram, and I remember this. There was an interview in USA for this. In 1970s, there was a clash between Nirankaris and Akali Sikhs. They were protesting. So India Gate पे वो लोग जाकर बैठ गए, and to make sure that the protest is non-violent, DCP Kiran Bedi was appointed there. But then, however, some Sikhs came and there was violence created. So Kiran Bedi asked the police कि लाठी चार्ज कर दो, लगे तो लगे, गलत कर रहे हो तो भुगतोगे भी. The people had swords, knives in their hand, but Kiran Bedi didn't stop. उसने ऐसा लाठी चार्ज किया कि every one of them ran away. Even in middle when it started, पुलिस भाग रही थी. उन्होंने अकेले रुककर लाठी चार्ज करवाया, and it all ended. They flew away. After this incident, she was in news headlines for almost 4-5 weeks, and after this, at this time Indira Gandhi was there, so she called her on a dinner as well. There is also a case where Indira Gandhi का गाड़ी टो करवा लिया था किरण बेदी ने, and ऐसे बोलते हैं, and it is said that कि Indira Gandhi transferred her because of this. The book gives you a best idea of how happening her life was. Then she got married, she has a daughter as well, and even she was a politician. In recent times when Anna Hazare was there, that time also she took part in politics. A complete package, all-rounder woman, Kiran Bedi. The overall impression you get about Kiran Bedi is like she is a devoted officer, and you have such officers here in our system. That's it. Thank you so much.